One of the very useful things about the chameleon is it shows you how deep in the soil the roots are extracting water from. Here we have some onions. They've been growing through the winter and the soil's been very wet. The lights represent 15, 30, 45 and 60 centimeters, and for many weeks they've been all blue. But now we're in spring, the weather's warming up, the plants are using water, and the top layer went to green and then it went to red. Now I'm expecting onions will be able to pull out water from deeper than 15. I expect them to go to roots to go to 30 or even 45 centimeters. So I'm holding off irrigating because I'm waiting for the next layer, 30 centimeters, to go green. But I'm also learning where these roots are because I don't want to irrigate and use up water if there's already water available in the soil for these onions. Okay, so as part of our research, every time we bury a chameleon in the ground, we measure independently with another device just to check that the chameleon's giving us the right color. So here's a tensiometer and I'm going to read it, and it's reading 57 kilopascals. So that's the red range as we see on the light. This is the shallow depth of 15. At 30, it's reading 20, which is the blue color. At 45, it's reading 14, which is the blue color, and at 60 centimeters, it's only reading 10, again, which is the blue color. Now, in contrast to the onions, here is a bed of broad beans or faba beans. Now, they were planted at the same time. They've also grown through the winter into the spring. The chameleon sensors are at the same depths, 15, 30, 45, and 60. But this time they're all red. In fact, 1 week ago, I irrigated this bed. I had to put on 40 mils of irrigation. They went from all red to all blue. And in 5 days, we're back to all red. That means that they're able to extract water from every depth, all the way down to 60 centimeters. And they can do it quite quickly. So at least I know where these roots are